Today, I'll walk you through how to use the copy style tool to quickly apply formatting from one element to another, even across different pages in your Canva project. Let's go step by step. You can see here I have two pages in my project. On page 1, there is a text box that's been styled with a specific font, size, color, and maybe even a shadow or effect. Now, I want to copy this exact look and apply it to another text box on page 2 without manually adjusting every setting. Here's how to do it. First, click on the Style text box on page 1, the one that already looks the way you want. Now, look at the top toolbar and click on the Copy Style button. It's that small icon that looks like a paint roller. Once it's activated, Canva is now ready to paste that style onto something else. Head over to page 2, find the text box you want to style and simply click on it. In an instant, Canva applies all the same formatting, your font, size, color, spacing, and effects onto the second text box. It's super efficient and especially useful when you're designing multi-page videos, presentations, or social content and want a consistent look throughout. And that's it. That's how you use the copy style tool in Canva. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Canva video editing tips.